Yes, so I've got some exciting news about the channel. I started the channel about, 2 days ago on Friday. It's Sunday today, started it on Friday. Put the first video out, like I say, Friday, and that was just an introduction to the channel. Even put it in the wrong category, I think. It only got about 4 views. Wasn't expecting anything else. In fact, my plan was to release as many videos as I could fit in over the first month. But I wasn't expecting really anything. And then yesterday released another video which was how to fix the problem of not having any views on your videos. And again, wasn't really expecting any views, and the information I got for that was based on my own personal experience of working with machine learning, but also from watching a lot of other videos and taking what I feel is the best advice. Anyway, again, I wasn't really expecting anything, but then overnight I got up this morning and there was initially 10 views. Had some breakfast and noticed that there was a subscriber. So to that subscriber, thank you very much, because you've made my day. You've validated that there's someone who wants to watch my content. I mean, for me, feel like I've got a crap voice. I feel like I'm not particularly a portrait to look at. How can I give advice to people? That's just the way I feel, and I'm sure that for those of you that this channel is aimed at, you feel the same. Why would people listen to me? I didn't expect over time that it would start to improve as my skills improved, and they do say that don't expect much from, for your first 10, 20 videos, because you're still learning. And by not getting any views, that's not a problem, it's actually a bonus, because you can give yourself a bit of slack, try some different things, experiment. So that was what I was doing. I didn't expect to get my first subscriber. Now, it's not great, is it? It's 1 subscriber. But it's a milestone. It means so much to me. And I'm sure if you've not made a video yet, but you're wanting to, which is perhaps why you're watching this video, then you would agree as well that getting that first subscriber would feel brilliant, and it does. Like I say, it feels like I'm vindicated for pressing the record button. All that advice that people give you, just press record. And you feel like, well, that's easy for you to say because you've already made 500 videos, you've already got 500,000 subscribers. And that's why I've made the channel, because I want you to come along for the journey with me. I feel the same way still now as you do. Who would want to listen to me? But that 1 subscriber, and like I say, thank you again if you're watching this. Thank you. That 1 subscriber has given me so much more confidence. Now I'm not going to come on here and make another video when I get my 2nd subscriber and my 3rd. But my next milestone will be 10 subscribers. And the aim of the channel is to make videos through the week, and then at the end of the week I want to review what I've done on the best video and the worst performing video, and decide, was there something that I think I can fix? Was there something that I think made the best performing video better than the worst one? How can I replicate that? And then take those ideas and implement them in the next week. And then again at the end of the following week, at the end of that week, to come back and to review and to share those reviews with you. I'll be doing a video of those reviews, so that'll be next Friday. So if you subscribe now, then you can watch those. You can watch that review of what I've done this week, what's worked, go into some more detail, looking at the YouTube stats. So if you're feeling as though the same as me, that you can't even bring yourself to press record, then please just do it. You don't even need to put the video on YouTube, do you? Just find yourself somewhere quiet like I've done here, middle of nowhere, get the odd dog walker coming past. It's already happened just a little bit behind me, but I just pressed stop record and I started again. And if you don't like the video, if you really can't bring yourself to put it onto YouTube, then don't, just delete it. What have you lost? So yeah, to those people I've watched who are veteran content creators who said just press record, then thank you to you, because yes, I did it. That's what I did on Friday. Press record and just made the video. I thought, what the hell? If you want to go and look at that YouTube video, that very first one, it's a bit of a cringe, but it's the same sort of cringe that yours will be. But I'll put a link to it either in the description, or if I can work out how to do it, I'll put it as a thumbnail somewhere in this video. Yeah, I need to do some a video on learning how to use the gimbal, not just to teach you, but to teach me, because I keep noticing that my head keeps getting higher and higher on the video. I'm supposed to have tracking on this. It does seem to work, but I do try and put my eyes in the middle of the video and it goes up. So if you guys have got any advice on how I can fix that, then please fire away, put something in the comments. And also to the guy that subscribed, if you're able to, if you want to, please leave a comment and let me know why you subscribed, because that would really help me in targeting other people that might want to subscribe. And I'm assuming, that person that did subscribe, they're also wanting to make YouTube videos. Otherwise, why did they subscribe? Why were they watching? Anyway, that's all I've got for this video. It was just that update on that milestone, my first subscriber. Hope you get yours soon as well, your first subscriber. Or if you've been doing it for a while, your next milestone, whatever it is that you're aiming for. Right, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. And like I say, I'll be doing a video on Friday to do a review of all these videos I've done this week. Take care, and bye bye.